Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You guys are wondering, why do you have two markers? Well, I'm gonna show you guys how to draw like a lake by using dark blue and light blue, so you can choose whatever you want to start with. But with me, I'm gonna start with this because that's how I do it. You guys can do it your way. So what you have to do is, if you want to do like this, squiggly lines like this, and this is how you make this is how you draw the lake, or it can be the beach. You can do this with the beach too, so whatever you prefer. We are gonna make this look really nice. Sorry, I just woke up not too long ago, so that's why I'm kind of waking up. We gotta add more details. It doesn't have to be perfect. So this is what I do first. It's pretty simple. You can do it however you want. Like I said, there's no right or wrong way to do this. I think that looks good. Next is this. So you want to just kind of make it noticeable here. It's hard to see. So this is what I'm gonna do. So fill in this like you're coloring like a coloring page. See, look, now does that look like the lake or the beach to you? I probably need a different blue soon because this one is on its way out. Yep, I kind of figured that. It kind of sucks because this is such a good marker. See, I need a different blue. This happens sometimes. You gotta work what you got. But I don't know if I have any light blues yet. I have to look. But this is how you do it. And it can be any way you guys want it to be. I kind of want to finish this so you guys know what it looks like when it's done. I don't know if I have a different blue. I'm gonna see. Alright, I was in luck, yes. So, like I said, this is however you guys want it to be. I use the dark blue first, so that way it stands out more. It can be anything, like the ocean or the lake. But do you guys see how it's coming along? And this is how you do it. People are just curious how I do this sort of thing. It's pretty simple. Not bad. There's no right or wrong way, so this is your own picture. Now, it's the water, see? And that's it. Thank you.